Hello guys, today we'll talk about Beats Solo 2 headphone. Let's open this box and see what's inside. This is a on-ear headphone. People are not hearing all the music. Here is some function, remote to cable, compact foldable design, lightweight comfort, unlimited wired playback. Okay, let's open this. Keep this aside. Very nice box. Change the way you hear sound. A nice packet. Nice cover for, I think, headphone. And let's see inside. Go inside, let's see what's inside. This one is a 3.5 mm cable. This is let's see what inside. There is some manual. Beats sticker. Let's put them aside. And a hanging clip by Beats. Okay. Let's open this. Wow, very nice. White color. Very nice. Very nice shape and very nice feeling. Let's connect the cable. Let's listen some music with this headphone. This is full sound. Oh, we can control volume from here. Okay, let's hear the sound from step by step from minimum to high. Okay. Try to understand the sound level. This is the high. This sound is high. No more high sound. It's enough. You can connect the clip with pouch. Very nice. You can hang this one very good for traveling. You can take your headphone with anywhere. Thank you guys for watching this review. I hope it will help you. Thank you very much. Bye.